Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. So, let's start today's class. First of all, we will discuss about our previous homework solution. So, first question is what are mountains? What are mountains? Here is the solution. Some parts of the land are much higher than their surrounding areas are called mountains. And next question is what are plains? The land which are flat and broad on the earth are called plains. And the last question is define the following. First one is passes. Some mountain ranges have gaps between them. Such gaps are called mountain passes. And second one is mountain ranges, a series of mountains joined together with one another. Such mountains are called mountain ranges. Yes, student, series of mountains joined together. Next is peak. The topmost part of a mountain is called its peak. So it's all about our previous one. So let's start today's topic. You can see here I am here with your topic. Dear student, before this we have already discussed about valley, plateau, mountain, plains, and today we will discuss about hills and desert. Yes, student. Today we are going to study about hills and desert. So first of all, you can see here hills. What is hill? A hill is a higher part of land than its surrounding areas. That is than its surrounding areas. But a hill is not so higher or huge as a mountain. So, it, a hill is a higher part of land. Yes, student? Hill is a higher part of the land as mountain. But mountains are more higher, but hills are less higher than the mountain. So, now we will see how hills are formed. Dear student, hills are formed by rock debris or sand deposited. Rock debris or sand deposited by glacier and wind. By which thing it is deposited, beta? It is deposited by glacier and wind. So, and hills are covered with which thing? Hills are covered with grass and trees. Yes, student. On hill, on hills, we can see grass and trees. And hills, which types of weather on hills? On hills, weather is pleasant. Which type of weather? Pleasant. People from plains visit hill stations during summer holidays. Yes, student, in your summer holidays, children and their parents want to visit where? Yes, on the hills. Because we are on the plain, so Here temperature is higher than the hills. On the hills there is low temperature comparison with our area, our plain. So our next topic is desert. Desert, what is desert? A vast area of land that covered by sand. A vast area of land that covered by which thing? Sand or snow. Sand or snow, and receives very little or no rainfall. And receives very little or no rainfall. That is called desert. Yes, student, the main thing in the desert, the scarcity of water, the lack of water, because there is less rainfall or no rainfall. Yes, student, here two types of desert. First one is hot desert. Vast area of land covered with sand. Vast area of land covered with sand. The area of land which is covered by sand is called hot desert, and the temperature extremely hot and dry area. Hot desert is extremely hot and dry area because of less water. Yes, and dear student, here I want to tell you some animals are found in the hot desert. Only that kind of animal can survive in hot desert. Such types of animal burrow and live inside the earth. In daytime, where they live inside the earth by burrowing it, because there is some cool in comparison with earth in daytime, but in night they come out from their burrow and live on the earth. On which time? In the night, because the temperature of night is cooler. So, and one thing is most important here, beta, that I want to tell you, the largest hot desert of the world is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert of the world. And next one is cold desert, part of land covered with snow. It is covered with sand, but it is covered with snow. And you can understand, if snow is found in this desert, here will be extremely cold area. It will be extremely cold area. And my dear student, in cold desert many animals are found that is found in the hot desert area. Why? Because in cold desert many animals burrow. For which thing? Burrow, and they live inside the ice. Why? To keep themselves warm. To keep themselves warm. Because the temperature on the of the ice is lower than the inside the burrow. So they burrow the snow and live inside the burrow to survive in cold desert. So my dear student, the temperature will be extremely cold. Extreme it is. And I want to tell you one thing. In desert, the temperature is called extreme type temperature. Extreme type temperature, and you can say extreme type climate. Why? If there is hot, there will be too much hot. If there is cold, there will be too much cold. Here I want to tell you the coldest desert, the cold largest desert in the world is Antarctica. So it's all about our today's topic. I hope you will understand the things properly. And now the time is for homework. First question is, what is the difference between hot desert and cold desert? Second one is, write some characteristics of desert. Third one is, define the following. First one is hills and second one is desert. Dear student, I hope you are doing your homework. If you are not doing, just do it, because each and every question of your exercise is given here in homework and solution is also here. So maintain your notebook properly. Okay, good. Have a nice day.